little longer than a few minutes later.
What's up, what's up, what's up? So, you already know, lunchtime, about to go work out. Today, I don't know, I feel like kind of matches. I'm doing like a whole outfit going on, you know? And I don't know, I'm feeling good, like it's gonna be a good workout. Okay, we got this.
A few moments later.
Chancelle came to work out with me and now she's cooking for me. And I know it's gonna be healthy and delicious. So while my lunch is being made for me by my beautiful and great friend, figured let me just go and water my plants. We're gonna start with this one. Don't ask what it is, I'm not quite sure. It's an experiment. Seems to kind of work. Oh, it's a lot of water. And then we'll water these three. Little succulent. And then we'll come here and water these ones. I'm gonna do a plant update one of these days. I'm just trying to, get some of the ones that are dead to be undead. So give myself, maybe a few more days and we'll see how that goes. But yeah. If you guys watched my video where I went to buy them, you might be able to recognize a few. I have added some. And voila! The plants are watered. Oh, there's one more. We cannot forget this one. I keep this one in my room, so. Oh Lord. Okay, doing this and filming at the same time is a little bit of a struggle, but I'm gonna go clear. But I'm gonna go and clean that up soon. And now we're all done. She served me. I am blessed. Guys, the whole presentation. She's so cute. Thank you. Okay, so presentation of what is in here.
There is cheese at the bottom. I made red onions with green peppers. I fried them first with a little bit of oil just for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And then I added the shrimp. Went real simple, added salt and pepper, and that was it. Let it cook. And then on the side, as it was cooking, the shrimp, I put, I did avocado with spinach. Make sure you wash them if it's not already washed. Put a little bit of lemon, and then salt and pepper. Very simple. Again, you can add whatever spices you want, but I just wanted to go simple. Mix it, and a little bit of olive oil, just because I didn't want to do dressing, so I did that as my dressing. And then about maybe 7 minutes or so of the shrimp cooking, it's done, and you put on a little tortilla, whatever, naan bread, whatever else you want. Or you can eat it just like that, or you can put it on top of a salad. It's good.
As you see. So that was quick recipes with Chancelle. And after a few bites, this is what the inside looks like. Doesn't this look so good? Guys, this was so good. You know when you eat really well and you just want to start singing gospel music? Well, that is me right now. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I just picked up a package. I entered this contest on Instagram and I actually won. I never win. So we're gonna go and open this up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and she also included her business card. Go support us. Oh, it's handwritten. Thank you for your support and congratulations on winning the giveaway. I hope you enjoy these and feel as beautiful on the outside as you are on the inside. That is actually so sweet. That is so sweet. I'm gonna put her information in the description box. Guys, look at these lashes. Okay. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Okay. You feeling fancy? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, these are beautiful and I love the packaging. So yeah, I won something for I never win. I'm so happy. So this is meal number 2 from Chancelle. This is dinner. And look at this. Broccoli and ground beef. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to eat it.
Eventually.
Guys, so this is what this is what happens when stress. Now she's stressed. She's stretching with me and it is currently almost 1 a.m. This girl's in her bonnet and she's drinking. Like, okay. Okay, how do you feel?